I didn't believe the Tripo AI demos. Every video I saw made it look ridiculously easy. Upload an image, wait a few seconds, download a complete 3D model. If you've ever worked with Blender or any 3D software, you know that's a crazy promise. So I stopped watching promotional videos and tested Tripo AI myself. I started with a simple product photo, then a cartoon character, then a game asset. The first result honestly surprised me. Instead of getting a rough shape, I got a recognizable 3D model with decent geometry and textures. It wasn't perfect, but it was much better than I expected. Then I started pushing it further. More detailed objects, different angles, more complex designs. That's when I realized what Tripo AI is actually good at. It doesn't replace a professional 3D artist, it replaces the slow beginning of the workflow. If you've ever built a model from scratch, you know the first version takes the longest. Tripo AI gives you that first version in minutes. Now here's what nobody tells you. Production ready means different things to different people. If you're creating quick product mockups, game prototypes, AR experiences, or concept art, the models are surprisingly useful. But if you're working on an AAA game, a Hollywood animation, or a high-end commercial project, you'll probably still need to clean up the mesh, adjust the topology, and refine the textures. That's completely normal. The AI saves time, it doesn't eliminate professional work. I also noticed who benefits the most. Indie game developers, YouTubers making 3D content, freelancers creating client mockups, agencies building prototypes, startup founders testing product ideas. For them, speed is often more valuable than perfection. So, can Tripo AI create production-ready 3D models? For some workflows, yes. For high-end production, think of it as a very strong starting point rather than the finished product, and honestly, that's still incredibly valuable. Because creating something in 10 minutes and refining it later is often much smarter than spending 2 days building everything from zero. That's why I think Tripo AI is getting so much attention, not because it replaces 3D artists, but because it lets them and everyone else move a whole lot faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.